you go. It's Pitbull, and I Know You Want Me. Before that, Orson and No Tomorrow.
BBC Radio Humberside.
That's right.
A great place for a great station.
Of course, it's a great place for a great station. It's 8:17. I'm loving these jingles. They're great. Oh, talk over that bit, I think. Oh, that's a nice when you play that one into a slow record there, Rachel.
It's lovely and gentle.
Yeah, I really like it. I've got to play this one today. I was just walking back in the studio. Dave, right? Are you ready, my friend? Dave?
Yeah.
Hello?
So I got locked in the toilets.
Did you? Did you really?
Well, no, locked out of the toilets, because what they do is they have like a security system. So I walked out there, and then I couldn't get back in. So I was just about to tap on the window there to the studio, but then fortunately some nice lady came along, and she had a pass that gets me everywhere.
Thank goodness.
Well, if you know what I mean.
They're very accommodating.
Yes.
Here. You know, this place really is a great place for a great station. It really is.
BBC Radio Humberside. A great place for a great station.
That's right. It's a great place
For a great station.
That's nice, isn't it? Do you think there's other stations around the UK going an average place for an average station?
Yes, our third location for a station.
Yeah. Well, anyway, there you are.
BBC Radio Humberside.
You see, that would really nicely go into a bit of John Barrowman.
Well, I like the way you phrase it, Rachel,
Sure.
but you're right.
Yeah.
Here is, I'm going to play another highlight from last night's karaoke show. This is from our evening's entertainment. Matt Fincham on the piano and Dave on vocals. The gag was that Dave was going to sing I Made It Through the Rain, the song that we're trying to get up the chart for Mr. John Barrowman. So what they did was Matt went away and learnt it on piano. Now, when I say learnt it on piano, he didn't go and get the sheet music for it, and pardon the pun, and learn it properly.
But in many ways it was, wasn't it?
What he did was he listened to the song and then tried to work out the chords. Meanwhile, Dave listened to the song and tried to work out how to sing it. You put the two together, and quite frankly, it's a mess. So, from last night, this is just amazing. Dominic joins in, and then I join in on the drums. Enjoy. Dave doesn't know how this goes, by the way. You'll know that from the first line.
We dreamers have our ways of facing rainy days, and somehow we survive.
He doesn't actually know how it goes.
We keep the feelings warm, protect them from the storm, until our time arrives. One day the sun does appear, and we come shining through those lonely years.
Come on, Dave, take it.
It's behind you.
I made it through the rain. I kept my world protected. I made it through the rain. I kept my point of view. I made it through the rain. I found myself protected from the others who got rained on too. I made it through.
Now, as this is going on, I have to interrupt. I'm stood at the side of the stage with Dominic going, you have to go on. You have to go on now. You have to go on. And Dominic's going, no, I'm going, he doesn't know how to sing it. You have to go on. So if you hear a big cheer, that's Dominic appearing to save the day.
When friends are hard to find, I
But the words are on a massive screen
but
behind
I lost
you.
my place on the screen.
Right, here we are.
When friends are hard to find, I sometimes you feel afraid.
No one noticed.
No.
It's when you. Hold on.
Just aim beyond the clouds and rise above the crowds and start your own parade. Dominic Byrne, ladies and gentlemen.
And then Dave begins to sing.
When I chase my fears away, that's when I knew I could finally say I made it through the rain.
It's Dominic.
I kept my world protected. I made it through the rain. I kept my point of view. I made it through the rain. I found myself respected by the others too. We need a drummer who.
Oh, this is Dave, by the way. Subliminally introducing me as the drummer.
See, that was supposed to be clever.
Yeah. No, I know it was supposed to be clever, but I'm going to be honest, I'm not sure if it was.
We need a drummer who looks like Christopher Moyles. I made it through the rain. I kept myself protected. I made it through the rain.
That's awful.
I kept my point of view. I made it through the rain. I found myself respected by the others who got rained on too. I made it through. Oh, I made it through.
It's horrendous.
Paul, sing along for the end. I made it through.
It's not the end, though, is it?
No.
I made it through. I made it through.
So, that was one of the highlights of last night, believe it or not.
That sounded awful.
It's like a herd of cattle in there.
Truly awful.
Well, we weren't drunk last night or anything, but, with memories, you start to forget things. But you know what is the worst thing about it, Dave?
Yeah.
We did it again.
I made it through the rain. I kept myself protected. I made it through the rain.
Oh, yes.
I kept my point of view. I made it through the rain. I found myself protected from the others who got rained on too. I made it through.
So the joke for me was, Dave was desperate to finish, and I was on the drums. I thought, we'll just keep going.
Oh, we made it through.
There's Kirsty trying to save the day.
Beautiful. Oh, we made it through.
Caroline from Willoughby says, wow, it sounds like you're at Madison Square Gardens. Gemma in Bristol says, Dave sounds like Kermit the Frog.
One more time. I made it through the rain. I kept myself protected. I made it through the rain. I kept my point of view. I made it through the rain.
By the way, this show is for free.
I found myself
We didn't charge for tickets.
by the others who got rained on too. I made it through.
There's no end of the words.
I made it through. We've never sung this before. Oh, I made it through.
My drumming sounds like a drum kit falling down the stairs.
I made it through. That's what he would have wanted. I made it through. Ladies and gentlemen, Dominic Byrne, Christopher Moyles, Matt Fincham and the Rocky Okie Band, thank you.
Thank you! What's your voice doing?
It sounds strange, doesn't it?
And listen to the crowd go. Well, there's just the crowd go. And the crowd went home after that.
The taxis had arrived, hadn't they?
Shocking.
That was awful.
Do you know what, Dave? It was, wasn't it? It really was. So that highlight from last night, there you are.
When she was 22